Sometimes, karma doesn't wait. Sometimes, it strikes in the middle of the highway, at 70 miles an hour, with flashing blue lights and rolling cameras. And when it does, you better believe someone's about to have a very bad day. Welcome to a wild ride through the craziest police dashcam moments you wouldn't believe, if they weren't captured on video. It starts with a simple scene, a wide-open freeway, cars cruising under a clear sky. Everything seems normal, until it isn't. A black pickup cuts across 3 lanes without signaling, nearly sideswiping a family in a minivan. Horns blare. Drivers swerve. And instead of backing off, the pickup driver slams his brakes, on purpose. Classic road rage move. But what he doesn't realize, is that 2 cars back, a state trooper is watching everything. His dashcam is rolling. His lights are ready. And karma? It's about to hit harder than any brake check ever could. Before the pickup can speed away, the sirens blare and the lights flash. The trooper pulls him over, right there, in front of everyone he just endangered. License, registration, and a fat ticket for reckless driving. Instant karma. But that's just the beginning. Cut to another scene. 2 drivers get into a shouting match at a red light. Windows down. Arms flailing. Words we can't repeat here. One driver, full of rage, throws a bottle at the other car, then tries to peel out dramatically when the light turns green. But physics has other plans. The angry driver floors it, only to spin out, lose control, and crash into the curb, right in front of a police cruiser sitting at the intersection. Busted. Ticketed. And left sitting on the sidewalk, head in hands, as the police write up the mess. Once again, instant karma caught crystal clear on dashcam. And it gets crazier. Late at night, on a lonely back road, a speeding sports car tailgates a semi-truck dangerously close. Flashes headlights. Swerves aggressively. He finally tries to pass on a blind curve. Big mistake. Coming the other way. Another cop. Siren. Lights. Screeching tires. The sports car gets boxed in and pulled over within seconds. No chance to explain, no excuse to save him. All of it, caught in perfect, glorious HD. One bad decision. One instant lesson. Every clip tells the same story. When you act reckless on the road, karma doesn't wait. Sometimes, it's an officer who pulls you over. Sometimes, it's your own bad driving that writes the ending. And sometimes, you embarrass yourself so badly, the video goes viral. Because cameras are always watching now. Dashcams don't lie. They don't miss. And they don't forget. In another unbelievable moment, a biker weaves between cars, popping wheelies and speeding down the shoulder. Dangerous, reckless, and thinking he's too fast to catch. Wrong. One unmarked police SUV later, and he's in cuffs on the side of the road, helmet in hand, looking a lot less tough than he did 2 minutes ago. Instant karma, delivered at 100 miles per hour. Not every moment ends in disaster, though. Some drivers recognize their mistakes, apologizing with a hand wave, pulling safely aside, or swallowing their pride before things get worse. Those clips remind us that mistakes happen, but how you react can make all the difference. It's not the mistake that defines you. It's how you handle it. This collection of insane dashcam footage is more than just entertainment. It's a reminder that every second on the road matters. That anger behind the wheel is never worth it. That one stupid move can change everything. And above all, that karma has a way of finding you, especially when a camera is rolling. So the next time you feel the rage boiling up on the freeway, take a deep breath. Let it go. Because somewhere out there, a dashcam is watching. And if you're not careful, you might just become the next viral, instant karma moment. Loudspeaker. If you loved watching these jaw-dropping moments, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. We've got plenty more wild, unbelievable, and sometimes hilarious dashcam footage coming your way. Stay tuned, because karma is just one bad decision away.
And it's not just cars and bikes that face karma on the roads. In one crazy clip, a pedestrian decides to jaywalk across a busy highway, waving off cars like he owns the road. He barely dodges one vehicle, then yells at a driver for honking. But just a few steps later, his sandal flies off. He trips and lands face first, right in front of a traffic patrol unit. Ticketed. Fined. Embarrassed. And, of course, all caught on dashcam. Sometimes karma doesn't hit hard. Sometimes it just trips you up, literally. The most unbelievable moments happen when the ones causing trouble get exactly what they deserve instantly. Like the driver who tries brake-checking a semi-truck, forgetting that a 40-ton vehicle can't exactly stop on a dime. He gets rear-ended hard, totaling his own car, and completely failing to blame the trucker once police check the dashcam footage. In a world where everyone's got a camera rolling, the truth always comes out. It's not just bad drivers either. In another insane video, a car thief tries to make a getaway, speeding through town, thinking he's lost the cops. He turns a sharp corner, floors it, and crashes straight into a parked police car at a gas station. Instant arrest. Instant regret. Instant karma. Every moment teaches a lesson. Drive safe. Keep calm. Don't let rage make decisions for you. And remember, when you do something stupid in public, the world is watching and recording. The truth is, in today's world, your worst mistake could be one viral clip away from being seen by millions. Collision and these dashcam moments? They're not staged. They're not scripted. They're real life, unscripted and unfiltered. That's what makes them so satisfying. When someone tailgates, cuts off an ambulance, or weaves dangerously through traffic, we feel the tension. We want justice. And when karma arrives, fast and merciless, it's impossible not to feel that deep, satisfying yes in your gut. It's the universe balancing itself in real time, and it's all captured for the world to see. Police car, whether it's a careless speeder getting what's coming, a reckless biker realizing he's not invincible, or a rage-filled driver ending up in handcuffs. These dashcam moments remind us. Karma drives faster than you think. So if you've ever been cut off in traffic, tailgated by someone in a rush, or honked at for no reason, sit back, relax, and enjoy these clips. Because sometimes, the bad guys don't get away. Sometimes, justice is immediate. And sometimes, the universe brings the perfect ending, all caught frame by frame. To face with a motorcycle cop who was just waiting for someone foolish enough to break the rules. Flashing lights. A ticket. And a long, embarrassed walk back to the line they tried to skip. The crowd honks, not in anger this time, but in celebration. It's moments like this that remind us, cheaters never really win. Other times, karma isn't just delivered by the police, it comes from the road itself. Take the reckless SUV driver, speeding like a maniac through a rainstorm. Splashing pedestrians. Ignoring caution. Laughing in the driver's seat. But just a mile later, hydroplaning sends him spinning like a top, crashing softly into a muddy ditch. No major injuries. No damage to anyone else. Just a soaked driver, humiliated and stuck, while passing cars slow down to film the aftermath. A little muddy lesson in humility. There's a strange beauty to these dashcam captures. They show us a world where bad behavior gets called out. Where arrogance gets humbled. Where everyday heroes, cops, careful drivers, and quick-thinking bystanders, help keep the chaos in check. It's proof that while the world may seem crazy at times, there's still some balance left. High voltage, some moments are funny. Like the guy who flips off another driver dramatically, only to accidentally drop his phone out the window. He screeches to a halt, runs back to grab it, and gets honked at by everyone he tried to insult just seconds before. Instant. Humbling. Karma. High voltage. Some moments are thrilling. High-speed chases caught from start to finish, ending not with dramatic crashes, but with calm, professional arrests. Proving that no matter how fast you think you are, you can't outrun the law, or your own bad choices. High voltage. And some moments are heartwarming. Like the clip where an aggressive driver nearly causes a crash, but instead of anger, the other driver smiles, waves, and lets them go first. Sometimes, the best karma isn't punishment, it's kindness. And sometimes, that kindness is exactly what turns a bad day around. Each dashcam video is a slice of real life. A little window into the chaos, humor, and justice that unfolds every single day on the roads around us. We see ourselves in these clips. We've all been frustrated behind a slow car. We've all muttered under our breath at someone cutting us off. We've all wondered, why don't the cops catch that guy? And thanks to these dashcams, now we know, sometimes they do. And when they do, it's glorious. Imagine being the reckless driver who gets pulled over seconds after showing off. Imagine the embarrassment, the regret, and knowing the whole thing is caught on camera. Imagine being the person who stays calm, who drives safe, and gets to watch instant karma happen to someone else. Which one would you rather be? This video isn't just about road rage. It's about choices. It's about how small decisions, like letting your anger take the wheel, can have big, instant consequences. And it's about how sometimes, if you just stay patient, karma handles the rest. Glowing star. So sit back. Enjoy the show. Watch as anger meets its match. Watch as foolishness meets its fall. And watch as justice, sometimes, rides in a police cruiser with a dashcam rolling. Collision. If you love seeing instant karma in action, make sure to like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more unbelievable real-world moments every single week. Share it with your friends, because trust me, they'll love watching karma in motion too.